Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Today, I'm going to talk to you about business protocols. There are a couple of them which are very common, but sometimes, even though we know, we forget to implement them or use them at the right place at the right time. So, what are business protocols? You can say business protocols are a code of conduct, or you can, in other words, say that these are certain rules which are set up in a business standard and you have to follow them to make the other person feel comfortable in your presence. And it differs from organization to organization, but the basics of these protocols remain the same. So, here are a couple of tips I would want you to look into. First and foremost, always be on time. Punctuality is a great quality to have. Always be on time. In fact, I would suggest land up at a place 5 minutes before so that you get enough time to settle your nerves. And when you are on time, it shows that you respect other person's time as well. So very important that wherever you're going, be it at office, be it in a meeting, going to the site to meet a client, whatever, always be on time. Second important thing is dress right. Dress up to the occasion. If you are going to meet a client at a site where that person is absolutely casually dressed, you cannot just land up there in a business suit. I mean, there would be some communication gap. So always see where you're going and how you need to dress up. And if it's at the office, be absolutely formally dressed with closed shoes and tie or whatever is the culture of your organization, which now is actually relaxing a lot of rules. But when it comes to the Friday dressing, please don't take it for granted by landing up in the office wearing your track pants and your ruffled up and torn jeans. So that would definitely not do. Third important thing is to have a great body language, because body language is the leakages of thoughts from your body. So if you're feeling negative, it will show in your body. If you're feeling positive, it will show on your body. So it's very important thing when you're speaking to someone, don't cross your arms, have a great eye contact, smile as and when, don't fidget around, because these are the signs of feeling very nervous. So it's very important, have an open body language and erect spine and paying full attention to being more positive, steepling and just be more positive and congruent with your body language to what exactly you are saying. Another important thing is that when you're working in an office, it's very important to pay attention to others. You cannot be speaking to someone and looking somewhere else. You cannot be speaking to someone and pretending to be listening, because one can make out. So your smile, your eye contact, your nodding, asking appropriate questions shows another person that you are taking interest in them, that you are speaking to when you're speaking to them, and that builds a lot of trust when people are speaking to you. Another very important tip is that most of the time in the offices we have these cabins and cubicles, as they call it. So if you're having lunch, a lot of people, there is always an appropriate place to have your lunch. But I see in a lot of offices, people just open their lunch boxes in their cubicles, and Indian food specifically has a lot of spicy smell, and that travels in an AC and it goes in the whole room, and it's very disturbing. So it's very important that you eat and drink correctly, and in case there is a common area from where you make your coffee and tea, and if you're making that, see to it that you wash your cup and leave it clean for the other person to take it on. Another important tip or business protocol is that mind your language. Do not use very loose or unparliamentary language in the office. If you are a person who loses the temper at a drop of a hat, you need to learn to control it, because working in an environment with different personalities, different people from diverse background, can create a bit of a a conflict in your mind sometimes, but there is always the right place and the right way you communicate your anger. You don't have to be aggressive. You have to be little more assertive, and you have to learn to calm yourself down. Otherwise, just throwing your weight around and being aggressive is not going to make you very, very popular in the office. um, Another important thing is that you must learn to introduce people properly. Always remember that the person of the higher stature is introduced to the one with the lower one. So it's the ladies who are introduced first. It's the designation of the person which is higher is introduced first. So introduce people, and it's always good to always stand up when you are being introduced, or of somebody is introducing you. Don't just keep sitting. That doesn't go very well with the protocols of the office. It's equality, so you need to be like that. Another tip I would like to give you is that do not gossip. So there, being in an environment in the office, things happen, but do not be a part of a gossip, because words have feet. They would travel, and they will walk right into those ears where they should not be. So best is not to gossip, because if somebody knows that if you're gossiping about someone, that means that you're going to gossip about them as well. So people will not trust you. And if there is a situation where people are gossiping about someone, best is not to be a part of it, and just quietly walk away from there. And yes, as I said, it's important to keep these little things in mind, keeping your desk clutter free. And if you're asking, if you want print paper, don't just get up and grab somebody's paper from their printer. So and when you speak on a telephone, you don't have to be so loud that everybody is listening to you. So these are some of the protocols which will leave a good impression of you, and these are important etiquette tips which you need to follow. There are plenty, but I just thought I would just touch on the basics today. Maybe in the coming days I will pick up each and explain each in a more elaborate way. So till then, I just thought I will just give you a little teaser, a little taste of what business protocols are. So till next time I meet you with another topic. Stay safe, stay happy, and hope to see you again very, very soon. Sayonara.